See as I dey chop stop loss. Red. Stop loss everywhere. I still say they make money from this thing. 5 harsh truths about Forex trading that most professional Forex traders may not tell you. This that you are looking at is a live account, a $300 live account. And in this video, I will show you everything. I documented every single trades I took. Okay, you will see my wins, my losses, my take profits, and of course, my stop losses. Without any filter, I will show you everything in this video. And I'll also be doing a live withdrawal, okay, from my SNS account to my Bybit. And let us see how the whole thing goes down. And of course, share with you the 5 harsh truths that I realized trading this live account. Now let's get started. Now, number 1, come closer. No matter how good your strategy is, no matter how long you've been in the Forex trading game, you must, I repeat, you must chop stop loss. You must hit stop loss once in a while, or let me say sometimes. So it is always better to prepare for it. And how do you prepare for it? By using proper risk management, proper lot size, and using stop losses in your trades. Now, I made a full video on how to calculate the proper lot size for any trading capital, and that particular video is showing on the screen right now, and I will as well leave the link to that video in my YouTube video description and pinned comments. So with proper risk management and proper lot size, you will be prepared and save your trading account from getting blown away by just one trade that didn't go your way. Number 2 harsh truth. Your trading capital does not determine how much you are going to make in Forex. Now let me give you an example. Someone has $10,000 in his live trading account and another person has just $500. Do you know that it is possible for the person who has just $500 to be making more money every day more than the person that has $10,000? And don't get me wrong, there are no guarantees because even in Forex you can lose. Yes, but your profit or how much you will make is not by how much you have in your trading account. It has a lot more to do with your lot size, your risk management, and your strategy. Or let me just say your trading skill in general. Now, before we jump into the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th harsh truths, let us first of all go to my phone screen and let me show you everything that I promised you in the beginning of this video. So straight and direct to the point, this is my MetaTrader 5. This is my XNES. Let me go to my MetaTrader 5 and I go to trade. This is a real account. Let me go to settings. You can see it. This is a real account. There is no demo. Let me show you. For example, this is a demo account. Okay, if I come here, you can see it's written demo here. So this is a demo account, but this is a real account. Okay, yeah, this is a real account. You can see it right here. So if I go to my history, I started trading on the 5th of September. I deposited $300. Yes, and you can see all the wins, everything. Now, what was happening here is I was using scalping. Anytime I make a little profit, I take it. You know, little losses, I cut it out immediately. And then at the end of the trading day, I withdrew $23. You can see right here. Now, in order not to make this too much talk, let me go to my XNES and let us see the equivalent. Let us see everything I'm telling you, okay? Okay, so this is my XNES. It has loaded. And if I go to my closed orders and I scroll down, okay, you can see everything I told you. You can see all of them. You can see, okay, yeah, you can see. Now, if I want to see the withdrawals I make or whatever, I can go to my transactions, okay? From transactions, you can see everything. Now, if you want to sign up on XNES, use the link shown on the screen right now or the link in my YouTube video description and pinned comment. So this one I funded $300, $300, then transferred $23, and then I withdrew. You can see right here. Okay, so right now let us go back to some experiences that I gained. So the next day I continued with that same strategy, scalping little profits, and then I started making losses. Remember here I haven't hit any take profit or stop losses, and you can see it's going. Look at 2.39, 9.26, this. Okay, And then something started happening. I made some wrong trades and it hit stop loss with BTC USD, BTC USD. These two major stop losses, I think this was also stop loss. I think I can confirm that more from my, I'm confirming from my XNES. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back again. Okay, let's go and take a look at those two, because those two trades actually changed the way I was looking at this stuff. Look at it. This was X. I told you these three trades were SL, 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 SL. So these three stop losses that I hit actually made, let's go back to it. These three stop losses took away almost all the profit I made. And I was like, what happened? And I realized it was because I've not really hit any take profit in my risk to reward ratio of 1:3. Okay, so when it goes against me, it takes away almost all my profit at once. And then I started targeting to take profit. Okay, so we continued. There were huge losses on this day, including 2 extra stop losses. I started managing my risk better. Okay, and then here, this particular trade, I hit a take profit of 1:3. And then boom, it seemed the account came back, because even with this 1 extra stop loss, it didn't really get me in minus generally. I was still a little bit of profit. Okay, and then I continued. More stop losses came. You can see 3 in a row, but I also hit take profit here. And then I kept going, trading with good and proper risk management. Okay, stop loss, small profits, stop loss, and then I hit take profit here, and I banner stop with these guys. Okay, and then I had these major wins, this last set of take profits. Okay, and then finally, let's take a look at it right here. Okay, that was yesterday. I made $87, and you can see TP. You can see take profit. So you can see right here. So total profit of $90 within a couple of days. I think I traded this account for about 4 days. Yeah, and I withdrew $23 already. So I'm going to withdraw the remaining $67. Make sure you always take profit. Withdraw your money, use it and do something. If not, the market may likely take it back from you. I'm not saying withdraw your capital. Withdraw the profit you've made is a way to motivate yourself. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to make a withdrawal of 67.63 or just $67, a round figure, and let us do that right away. So I come here. If you want to withdraw from your XNES, when you open your XNES, you click on these details right here and you click on transfer. Okay, that's the first step, and you click on transfer between your accounts, the first one. So you're transferring from here to your crypto wallet, and you select what? This one, crypto USD wallet TRC20. That's the one I normally use. You can use any one of your choice. Okay, so remember, and then the minimum withdrawal on excess is $10. Okay, though it's writing 1 to this, that's the available amount. But when you want to withdraw to your crypto wallet, maybe your Bybit, you have to be minimum of $10. So I put 67 here. Let me transfer 67 and I click on continue or confirm. Click on confirm again at 0 commission. This was very good. Okay, so I close, and this is now when I can now come back. You can see $67 has left. I can now come here and click on withdraw. Okay, and I select what? TRC20. Okay, and then I select what? Crypto TRC20. You can see right here. If it didn't show for anything, just refresh or log out and log in again. Close the app and come back here. It's going to show. So you can see $67 right here. So what I'm going to do, you can see what I said, $10 is the minimum to 67. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, first of all, just put the amount 67, and let me put in my external wallet TRC20. Be careful so I don't put wrong wallet. Okay, so if I go to my Bybit right now, you can see that what I just have right here is what? Don't have any money. I just have 1.23 USD right here. So let me paste my address right now. So I paste my address and I click on continue or confirm. I click on confirm. Confirm your withdrawal. I click on confirm. You can see action confirmed. So I click on got it. Okay, so we allow a few minutes, okay, for it to enter my Bybit account. Okay, you can see deposit confirmation in progress. 67 USDT awaiting confirmation. Okay, you can see deposit has been confirmed. Okay, and when I head back to my Bybit right now, let us confirm. You can see it right here that the money has entered. Let me refresh. So it is as simple as this. Number 3, risk management is more important than your strategy. Yes, A lot of people keep changing their strategy. They trade fair value gaps today, they trade SMC today, they trade support and resistance today, all kinds of strategy. They use bot today, tomorrow they change another one. Whatever you do, risk management is your friend. Risk management is more important than that strategy. Yes, no strategy is 100%, so you expect losses here and there once in a while. But when you are managing your risk properly, just like I've said before, you are more likely to stay longer in the game. Can you trade for 30 days without blowing up your account? It's not by you made $10,000 today and tomorrow you are back minus 90. Can you stay in the game consistently for 30 days without blowing up your trading account? That is what most professional Forex investors, most professional market money movers check. How long can this guy manage his risk? How long can he stay? How long can you protect yourself from being blown away by the market? How long can you protect your trading capital and not just aiming for profits aimlessly? Do you have a target, how much you're going to get to in a day and you're out? Or you just do pay as you go, make as you go. I would say make as you go this time. So risk management is way more important than your strategy. Number 4, harsh truth. 80% of the time is for waiting. 20% of the time is for execution in Forex trading. I repeat, in Forex trading, 80% of the time is for waiting. 20% of the time is for execution. You come out, draw your zones, plot your strategy, do whatever you want to do, and you wait. You allow the market to come to you. If you rush the market will rush you. Just like Igbo people used to say, if you come with force, they will dribble you with force. That's a fact. So most of the time, 80% of the time is for waiting. You just keep waiting for the market to come to you, for the market to retrace to your zone, for the market to get to one particular price, for the market to break a particular price before you enter. It's not you just jump into the market, you see that it's going up, you buy up because they say follow the trend. It's already up, you are buying up. Maybe when you're entering, it's even when it's still way up and needs to retrace down before it continues going up. And by the time you're entering, that's the exact time it will start going down. And then you'll be like, Shibi, they say follow the trend. Why am I losing? It's because you're not waiting. You have to wait and watch the market come to you and not just chasing or going to the market. Final harsh truth, which is the 5th harsh truth. Bobo, you go blow account. Yes. This one is not by God forbid, or that you are wise or that you learn from the best. You will blow account. So it's better to start small. Yes, you will blow account. Most traders, I think about 80%, I don't know the exact statistics, blew up their first 5 trading accounts. And this is not a course or something, but that is just how it is. If you ask a lot of professional traders how they started, they will tell you, yes, I blew accounts. And blowing accounts is not like you must blow $10,000 accounts. Don't go and borrow money and put in Forex. Don't go and use your house rent. Don't go and use your school fees. You can start with $50, do your first practical. If it goes, fine. You try another 50, you try 100. Just make sure you start small because you can't just be perfect from the beginning. Blowing account is part of the game. And of course, the market will also give it to you back if you know what you're doing. Even 10 times, 100 times, 200 times, way more than that. If you are patient, if you follow proper risk management, and if you follow your strategy. Give yourself time. Some people have been trading for 10 years, 7 years, 8 years, 20 years, 15 years. You can't just come in the next 1 month, you want to make money and you run away. So at Forex market will not crash. It doesn't just crash and there will be no Forex again. No, the market can crash downward or it can go up. But say Forex disappear or government ban Forex trading. No, even institutions like banks, they trade Forex. So it is regulated. It is legit. Okay, even though you can as well lose, you can as well make money. That's why they say use proper risk management. So when you are coming in, have it in your mind that blowing account is part of the game. Yes, don't just because you blew one account, blew second one, you say, oh, this thing is a scam. I beg, I don't do again, I don't tire. No, that's not how it is. Also, as an extra piece of information, this is for those that watched till this point, this is the 6th harsh truth. If Forex trading is the only thing you are doing, if Forex is the only hustle that you have that you are doing, bro, you will most likely be a loser. Yes. The Forex psychology just has a way of making those who are too dependent on it to cry. It doesn't apply to everyone, but to most people. You have to treat Forex as a side hustle. What do I mean? Even though it may be your main hustle, take it easy. Once you start over trading, once anytime you need 10k or 20k or 30k or 50k, you rush to go and trade to get it. Forex will jones you. It will jones you. Anytime that you are always in a hurry, that is the only thing you do. You wake up, you're trading, you afternoon, night, daily. That's the only thing you do. It is just too risky for you. Yes, you can get to a level where Forex becomes a full career, and from there you can make more money than you used to. Make too much money that you can go into real estate, go into other things. But when you are starting new, that your job that is giving you 30,000, that your hustle that is giving you 70,000, 100,000, 200,000 a month, keep it. Keep it so you will not be too dependent on Forex. And then once in a while you go to the market, trade quality setups, and not just you are not too sure of this trade, but because you need urgent 10k, you now enter. It will mess you up. Okay, so that is an extra information, an extra hash truth that you have to realize about trading Forex. Now, big man game, that's just a fact. So if you're a student, even if you can enter, you can trade Forex as a student, but please don't use your school fees, don't use your house rent. It is risky. And apply proper risk management. Only trade the funds that you can afford to let go, funds you can afford to lose in case if anything goes wrong. Thank you so much for watching. If you gain any value, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated always.